guys, good morning. How you doing? Welcome to Planter Garden TV. I'm back with another video. All right guys, you know my routine is eating a certain things in morning, and it doing pretty well for me. Guys, this is a mustard green. Look at the size of these leaves. I mean, look at the size of the leaf then. All right, so this is what I'm saying, guys. We can grow. Look at the leaf. All I need is one leaf. But what I'm saying, guys, we can grow our stuff organically without using chemical and get great result. Look at this. Look at the leaf them. All you need is one leaf and you're good to go. So I'm going up there and I'm going and harvest a few more stuff that you guys can see. Go again. As you see in this whole area here, this is companion planting. I have all different type of herbs. I even have some vegetables growing up as well. So you know guys, I have to, this is my routines and morning, eating healthy. I'm changing my diet for the summer, the spring and the summer. So yes, so let me pick up celery over here. Okay. And I gotta pick a few sage leaf, but guys, this is what we do, man. We grow our own food. We grow our food natural, we're organic, healthy. Look at the plants, them how they beautiful and pretty. This is a Tamalia right here. As you can see, it have an blossom. This is a next one. This is parsley. This is sage. See the sage already push it up, bud for flowers. That's a pineapple sage. This is what we do, guys. So right now I'm going and eat my breakfast. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.